Welcome everybody. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to make a multiplication game for OSX. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click the Cocoa application, and one thing I actually should point out is you'll notice that there's a game here. Now, even though we're making a little quiz-like game for multiplication, you're probably wondering why we're not using the game architecture. Well, the reason is that this game architecture is more for action-type games, whereas this is not necessarily an action-type game. It's a it's more of an application. You can take a look at the Sprite Kit tutorial that Mammoth Interactive has, but to get more of a clarification as to why this game is as to why this is more or less the difference between Sprite Kit games and regular applications, and it's both true for the iOS Sprite Kit and the regular application. So let's go ahead and add in a Cocoa application, and what we'll do is we'll call this multiplication game for OSX, and you can add in your company name, in this case Mammoth Interactive, and the language is going to be Swift. I'm going to go ahead and push next, create everything here, and make sure you always back up everything to the cloud. This concludes the tutorial.